This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the display and text size on your Lenovo tablet. So we can just hold down on home screen and then go to home screen settings right here. Change the home screen layout. If we do a smaller layout, the icons will become larger on the home screen here. You can see it's a little bit bigger. If we want to change the display and text, go to settings, scroll on down to display, scroll on down under here, and we are looking for display and text size. So we can increase the font. That will increase the display as well, it seems like, but we can just go to the display. I'm going to do something in the middle. There's no middle option, which is annoying. But we can just change this around right here, and then it's much easier to read. Everything is a little bit bigger. So maybe something like this is what I like. Larger text. So it's hard to get it fine-tuned exactly how you want. Maybe something like this. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.